When I type to me, I have a tendency to responding to you. Just go on, mama. It's okay. Seek help. But what may I say is, you guys have a nice productive day. And once again, cause I love talk about this shit from Dubai. When I went to Dubai, I did there with the military man. Shout out to Easy Money Marcus. Cause remember, I can't talk my business now. I turn this off here a little bit, cause I think this is blowing on the phone. I didn't need the car to defrost. It's cold. Big up yourself, Cuzzy Cuts. Hear what? When I went over lava and I talk about Dubai, I talk about getting a piss on. And even if I did say I was going to check, I'm going to really play with Doodle. That's why I'm going to play with Doodle people. That's why I know, so that's why Uno man, what? She
asked me to basically go with him or direct him to a hotel to stay for the night. It was like I kept trying to step this, so I stepped in. We was ended up in Queens and I had no drive to get home, no money, no nothing.
Artie, if you want to sue me, let's go. I need that money, baby. I've been listening to my tarot card reading lately, and it's been telling me that I'm going to have judgment. Something is going to... Matter of fact, I wonder if I should contact my lawyer, too, first. No, but you know what? My lawyer always say, let him hit first, because we counter him. No, oh, you couldn't hear? It's shaky. That's why I'm saying. I could just send it to the bloggers, and they can post it so the guys can hear it clearly. But I want the counter sue. He said, you know, his mother sent him to direct him to the hotel with him. He was 15. And he had no way to get back, and he'd been trying to sidestep it. You understand? Yeah. And the man was he's scared. Even right now, he said he's in Florida. It's too close to home. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to put the file when I go record my song, and I'm going to let us make sure we put it so he can answer the auto. Maybe we could take out Mellow voice and just hear his voice alone. I don't know, because we have technology now. Yeah, because, you know, I don't have the original audio in my phone. Mellow didn't even know I was recording her. When I go cuss me, say, Mellow, Momo set you up again. Ray. No, I never set her up. I don't trust anybody. So when Mellow call me down and I bad me up, I say, yeah, him a bad man, I have him a this you. And every time I talk to you, take up for the man. I said, make the call, Mellow then. Because before, I never want ear. Before, I never want ear. But yesterday, you want to come this week. I said, Mellow, all right, you what? Since you love run off your my picnic, me not too really play with you. Oh no, some of you but have conversation. Some of them, because some of them can't tame. And them big up my real one, them we can't tame though. But you see, the ones that were either undercover, they have this pet peeve for Uno. The time you talk about me, I take a recording of a guy that's 25, that was 15 at the time, is saying that you when he was 15. You understand what I'm saying? I can say it over and over again, and I'm not saying allegedly because I heard it from the person mouth. So the time you want to pull up defamation of character upon me, you got to get defamation of character on your victim. And then you're going to force your victim to come forward. Maybe you can pay them off. But, RT, I'm a businesswoman. Yeah, let me show you. Yes, extortion. Yeah, bomb no. Because I'm telling you some ramp rough. True, you say your money long, and you have all this money. You can't pay me for recording and I send it to you. 5 grand. Yeah, make sure you record this and show this to your lawyer too. 5 grand. Because I can't play when I want to play. Remember, say me, hey, I told you. I'm born here. You understand? I'm born here. See this? You see what it said? Where it said? Place of birth. Place of birth. New York. I'm born here. You understand me? I said, me not play like Uno. Me not really play like Uno. But the thing is, me get the Jamaican real militancy from my parents then. So, extortion time. Because your money long, you know. The money long. Remember me here the last come over here? And she said she have baby for you. You did pay her 10 grand supposedly. Because sometimes you all record and make people say things to get storyline, you know. So I want money too, because I'm broke and hungry. Listen, I'm hungry. This I'm hungry for this. So I'm tired. This I'm hungry for this. Since you have money, You can't pay me for recording. Of course, he has to go live now. Because when me start talking, I'm for move. So now I'm going to dress back RT and let you take the show. You understand me, I say? You must think that you idiot people them with your program. You should have allowed me yesterday. You notice I give you the whole day yesterday? Because I don't respond when you think I'm going to respond. But you can pay me for the recording. Yeah, I know the ring gonna bother you when we just put up the $29.99 ring. You don't know nothing about me, RT. You don't know nothing about me. The only thing nobody can tell us I'm a war with my man. You don't know nothing about blood. You think so me arrest them itty boo you will believe in you and I gonna call you and tell you them problem and then you come back on the internet and use it on them? No. Because me talk about my problem on the life. No, you're going to spend the rest of the day run up and down. Momo, I'm going to dip on your head top. Tell your lawyer to contact me. Tell them to contact me at summerfield@gmail.com. That is my business email. Tell them to send over all the documentation and let me know. And we can go from there. Because one thing, you notice me not trust nobody. So you see when Melo make the call, me just go so zup zup, so me press record after me fight with my friend. Me I fight with my friend and all I did was give you the year, the time, and the place. You knew exactly who to call. You knew who mother to call. You knew who child it was. Even on the recording, the boy is scared because he thought you live in Florida. Because Melo thought you live in Florida. He said he's in Florida. He has a place in Florida. He said, oh no, that's too close to home. Grown ass man is still scared. But one thing with me, my voice is very loud. Me not take intimidation. Never. Me not do clouds. This is real life. And when you want to play with a real person, I gave you a warning yesterday. Why think I left up the live so people can see? I give you a warning, several warnings yesterday. This is not a cloud thing. When you know what it is? A lot of people are scared of Obia. Me, I enhance that shit. That is part of my religion. I grew up with Jamaicans and Cubans. I was brought up where they study Santeria. I'm not scared of Obia. Obia is our first African religion. A real Obia worker, a real person, know that the religion is sacred. They would not be inside. That doesn't make sense. Remember, you're a clout whore. And that's why yesterday I remind you, this is my real life. I'm not doing any clout. That's why I told you. Remember, say you bother once Nicki Minaj use your name and run joke and say, oh, I want a real RT boss reading. Nicki ever come for your life yet? She go for every Jamaican person in the community. Y'all go as far as say she buy your house. I know she don't look for you. You think me not gonna let you do me like how you despise? You know, so weeks ago in the summer, me the dream, some have a dream, and me I sit down and I talk to Spice. And me I say, Spice, oh, you fit do that to a man. Oh, you and the man make a plan and just cut out upon him, so you should have stand by your word. And it's like she try to tell me for her side. And that's why when people cuss me and say, but I always take your side, I just said, no, I'm listening to that you came up with a plan and she take away herself. She don't want the stigmatism of a Obia man. Imagine the other day when you tell me to come up this town. To come at the house and you tell me, Momo, the goods are there at Jamaica. Imagine if me did come in your yard and sit down on the floor and eat goat, white rice and goat and do. You not tell people say you boss me. No, I'm work hard in this Papa Chilla. Me no work after people name. You see well when nothing not go on, you had hey, vroom in my car every time Iris lock down me account. Iris have a lockdown account for you, boy. You know what it is, Iris lock down all of your account them. Cause any day every time you bust that transaction over 10 grand. True, I come from a family of money laundering. And that you're supposed to talk about. Come and talk about one business. When you start tell lie, no, come on. Imagine if me would have got a house the other day. I don't know if good things that go for me. You know the first thing you would have done? Yes, me work, me give Momo the soap and me work on Goose Fear and this and that. RT, when we go out, you have the people that line up and Google like Google. The people that will follow you, you talk to them like you have to witness it. But we have witnesses though. Yeah. Just like when you couldn't pay me my money. Remember say, Alashana cash at me. Yeah. Remember I still have everything in on my phone. I have the voice note, them everything come recorded for the next one. I don't play with y'all niggas. I don't trust none of y'all niggas. You think me did I go say you or your line up? Spice not pay you, man. You're not going through a problem, right? You sit on there every chance. You see yesterday what you do? You cuss me, then you start put up prophecies because you want people believing it. And then you put up liar. You do the same thing with everybody. Spice have millions of dollars over there, millions you. I never get a liar for her. That's why yesterday I threw it out for you. I said, get your liar. I did it on purpose. I moved your